So I've messaged WhatsApp support about this situation where I've got this phone and you're sending it and it's glitching for other people. Asked them whether they can fix it, and they've asked me to send the recording. So I've sent this recording to them. I've looked at my video and then their response was basically, we don't provide chat or email support for questions about using media at this time. And they basically shut you off and say, we won't read this message, thanks for your understanding. I have messaged them again and it was just, we don't do anything. So basically WhatsApp is useless.
So I went to Samsung today so I can talk to them properly about the situation. So after explaining everything and they had a look at the WhatsApp and the phone, the conclusion was there's nothing wrong with the phone, which is good because I was a bit worried there might be something wrong. So what they said was this phone camera is so good that it records in a really high quality and resolution that when it goes into WhatsApp, it compresses it. So every time you upload the same video, it will compress it in different areas, and that's why the video glitches. And each time you send it, it glitches differently. So I said, what about changing it to a lower quality and then sending on WhatsApp? And he said it will cause more problems. So the only way to actually resolve this problem is to change the recording quality lower itself. But the whole selling point of this phone is the camera quality. So what is the point? So if you want to share your videos, you've got to send it through another way. So the best way is through quick share, and quick share requires you to be next to the person. If you're not next to the person, you can't really do it. Another option is sending it through another option or platform. So he said things like Instagram works really well. I've tried it on Facebook and it also works very well. If you lower the quality for WhatsApp onto a standard quality and you send it through, it still doesn't work. So overall, the phone's fine. It's just WhatsApp itself has not updated to this phone quality. So on paper, the camera is the same from S25 Plus to any of the other ones before. So like I upgraded from S22 Plus, and on paper, the camera is exactly the same except for the front camera. So when Samsung explained it to me, the processors and things are better. So even from an S24 to an S25, it is still better quality. So when he watches my video, on both sections, he can see the slight stutter on even the S25 itself. So obviously when you go from that slight stutter on a good phone going to WhatsApp itself, it just makes it worse. So basically, we just have to wait for WhatsApp to fix it. So the whole point of this phone is that you can record this beautiful video. What's the point of going lower quality just for other people to see? Because if you have this high quality, you can edit this for yourself. And it is a dream for any video editor.
Fix this by going on to WhatsApp and then on to settings, and then you scroll down onto storage and data, and your media upload is on HD, but you want to change it to standard to make it a little bit smaller. On a normal setting that I've got right now, it does not work on standard either. So you have to change the whole setting. Okay, so to fix this, go onto your camera, go to your video, and it shows you a bunch of different options. So let's have a look. Normally it's on HDR, so that's the best quality. You can turn that off. Then here you've got different sizes. So the best size is 8K. The lowest one we can reach is HD. So on your WhatsApp, it needs to be set on HD to be able to send it on a HD mode. So if you have higher quality, so I normally have on this one, which doesn't work on WhatsApp, you'll also have on 60 FPS, which is good for action filming, so you can just move it really quickly and it's amazing. But most of the time you can just have it on 30.
So thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Bye!